In trading, accuracy rarely comes from luck. It comes from knowledge, structure, analysis, and the ability to use the right tools at the right time. Infinity Trust Solutions is designed for users who want to improve their trading approach through advanced technology, expert guidance, and a more organized platform experience. The platform focuses on helping users build stronger skills, understand market behavior, and make more informed decisions with confidence. One of the key ideas behind Infinity Trust Solutions is that knowledge enhances results. Users are encouraged to prioritize learning, sharpen their skills, and approach trading as a long-term growth process rather than a quick reaction to market movement. The platform offers analytical insights, automated data analysis, advanced tools, and practical resources that help users review information more efficiently. Instead of relying only on instinct, traders can use structured data, market signals, and expert support to develop a clearer view of opportunities. Infinity Trust Solutions also provides access through a fully online platform, meaning no software installation is required. Users can connect through a browser from almost any internet-enabled device, making the experience flexible and convenient. The platform also uses clear visual indicators to show price movement. Green reflects an increase in asset value, while red signals a decrease, helping users quickly identify market changes in real time.